There's Mom and Daddy is trying to take Mama out. We're having a slight problem. I can't talk, babe, because then I start laughing. They're so cute. Look at it.
He hasn't started the motor yet. He's just drifting ashore. He's gonna go. That's great. He wanted to take her out.
There's
by
Mom and
himself.
Dad. Daddy wants to take Ma out on the boat.
There he goes again. He got
He
it.
got the motor started. Now he's gonna run into our neighbors.
Now it's in dirt.
Now he's in the dirt.
I'm not gonna fix it again.
Bob, we'll look back at this and this will be great. We got Mama and Daddy. They never came with anybody but us, you know? That's great. Look at Mom and Dad.
He's way over there.
Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. I can't laugh because then I lose them. They're so great.
You can hear him here.
Mm-hmm.
Are you still filming?
Mm-hmm.
That just may be the last time we see you.